So guys, this is EFSANE.net. A lot of my community members have asked me to talk about this project for a very long time now. So this video is my honest review on the project. I'm going to be addressing all of the questions you've been asking. Questions like how to withdraw your funds, because you've been seeing a lot of people withdrawing online, but you've not been able to withdraw your own. So I'm going to tell you how to withdraw, what withdrawal is all about, what the platform is all about, and including my own personal experience with the team, because some of them have contacted me several times. So you're going to be getting a honest review of that in this video. Now, this is the platform here. This is EFSANE.net. For those of you that are not yet registered, if you want to register, although I'm not promoting this platform again, I've stopped promoting it on my group. But when they came out newly, then I promoted it and people registered. If you go under invitation right now, you're going to see that I have referred over how many people now? All right. That my direct referrals is about 194, but total team members is about 553. So these are the number of people that have referred so far to the platform. I'm not promoting it again. I've stopped sharing this link on my channel for a very long time and for some reasons. But if you still want to register, maybe after watching this video, I'm still going to leave the link in the description box of this video for you. Now, what is EFSANE.net? From what they claim, the team, from when I chatted with them, they told me that they are an exchange. They hope someday to become a big platform like Binance, Bybit, OKX, BitGet, those trading exchanges that you know. That is what they say they aim to become. But if you look at the site right now, this is more like a blogging website. But let's leave that. Let's leave that for now. Let's head over to my profile here. Okay, this button at the top right of my screen is what I click. Then I go to my personal center, and all right, this is how it is. So the basic task you do on this platform every day is just to check in. As you can see, I've signed in for today. I've not been signing in for a very long time now. I just decided to sign in today. I mean, I just remembered to sign in today when I wanted to make this video. So this is how it is. The basic task is to sign in. Then the other task that I think you get paid for is referral. Before we proceed, make sure you are following me on X, that was formerly Twitter. Search for my name, Tonio's Tech. I'm still going to leave my link in the description box of this video. That is where I do drop updates even before making videos on them. So make sure you are following me there on my X channel. Aside that, they recently introduced this. Look at this balance here. They recently introduced it. Before, it was just gems that you could earn on this page, but they recently introduced this, and I've seen a lot of people saying they do conversion and then they place a withdrawal. That is by the way. Now, when they first started, the normal way you could withdraw was for you to get gems, and then after you get the gems, you come to this your spot account. On this your spot account page, you now go to look at. You're going to see your gems balance here. These are your gems. You now go to this flash swap. So you could normally swap this your gems into USDT, but as you can see right now, you can only swap your gems now to frozen EFS, which is their own native token and currently not listed. So if you notice, I have some balance, I have some frozen EFS. So if you swap your gems right now to frozen EFS, you will not be able to withdraw because frozen EFS is not listed. But when they started this project, as at the time I promoted it, you could swap this your gem to USDT and withdraw, which, yes, I don't think is wrong. It's a marketing strategy on their side to pack people more to the platform. And as for this gem cash that I said they recently introduced, the feature they recently introduced it, you could click on this gem cash and then click on this swap. So as for that one, you can see you could swap it to USDT. Let me click on maximum and you can see it's giving me 0.768 USDT. So this is the one that people are currently withdrawing, and they recently introduced this feature. As I said, it was not there before. So if you're able to accumulate this, and I think the only way you could accumulate this right now is by checking in daily. So if you're able to accumulate a lot of this, you'll be able to convert to USDT. After converting to USDT, you tap on, look at this arrow here. You tap on this arrow back and then come to this withdrawal page where you can now withdraw a minimum of 11 USDT on it. That is the simple thing. As for the gems, you can't withdraw yet if they are frozen EFS. get listed as they claim, then you'll be able to swap your gems to it and be able to place withdrawal. That is by the way. Now, as for them, this platform to me is showing a lot of red flags. I don't want to directly say it's a scam, and I'm not even encouraging you to stop participating on the platform because it's not in any way asking you for money yet, at least not on this page, even though there's another page where you have to put money. But it's not directly asking you for money, so I won't like to pronounce it a scam. And most especially, it's something that is paying. And if you know me before now, I like working with what pays, just like Kaito, give rep. Those are narratives that will soon end. It will not last. It's paying for now. Quite all right. Even though I don't agree with the narrative, but there is money in it. So why not do it? That is the trend. And that is the only reason why I'll say, okay, continue on this platform. If you can make money from it and they're not scamming you, why not? But aside from that, they claim to be they want to be an exchange. But all I'm seeing here is just a blogging site, a blog that they're trying to convert. Yeah, nothing really much about this. The team chatted me several times to help them to promote their platform. But they chatted me with three different Telegram accounts, and those Telegram accounts right now I can't find it. All the messages they've deleted it. These are like red flags to me, based on although we couldn't reach an agreement because I asked some questions and then they were going here and there about the platforms and the like, blah blah blah. Then later they were offering that they're going to pay this, that. And at the end of the day, they ended up deleting the Telegram account when we couldn't reach an agreement, which is another story that I'm going to be addressing in another video. But then that is basically all there is to this platform. There is also something they introduced. If you look at the bottom of this your screen here, if you tap here, there's an external side that they connected again. That one, in this ANET. If you click on this ANET, it's an external site that they introduced. And that one now, they pay you for, they say you have to predict, more like a betting platform. There are different bettings here. There are crypto bets where you have to predict whether crypto is going to do this, is going to do that, or you have to predict on games, or you have to predict on sports and a lot of it. So this is just all there is to it. Like I've said, I'm just making this video because of community requests. If not, I never wanted to even do a video on this EFSANE.net. But then that is by the way. If you still have any further questions, you can drop them in the comment section of this video. I'll be going through the comments, and if I find any question there that is really confusing, I'm gonna make a video on it. So do well to drop your comments and let me know what you think about this platform. Are you going to continue on it, or what do you think? Just let me hear your opinions. You can also use the link in the description box of this video to join my WhatsApp channel or my Telegram channel so that you can stay in touch for updates. And note, I don't message anybody requesting for money. A lot of scammers have been using my name recently and it's really annoying. So I don't message anybody. I don't even chat anybody on Telegram at all. And this is a part of why I don't even want to be responding to messages, so that you know that, okay, I don't respond to messages. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section of this video. I'm going to respond to you. Don't answer any hacker that is telling you, or any scammer, I mean, that is telling you to send money for this, blah, 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 come and invest or come and do any trading or join any trading group. I don't engage in such.